Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, Max and I have a story that feels like a movie. It started in my living room with a very old book, but now we are outside having a real adventure.
Hi, friends. I am still shaking a little bit because I am so excited. Lily was reading a book from an antique shop, and she found something incredible inside. Lily, show everyone what was between the pages.
Look at this, everyone. It is a piece of yellow paper. It is very old and very dry. When I opened it, I saw a drawing. It is a mysterious map. Look, Max, there is a drawing of the river, the big hill, and an X near the old oak tree in the woods behind my house.
At first, I thought it was a joke. Maybe a child drew it 50 years ago, but the paper feels very real. It looks like it is from a different century. So, we decided to follow the map, but we have a problem. It is already dusk, and the sun is going down. The woods are very dark and a little bit scary.
You are right, Max. It is difficult to see the path, but we are adults. We are not afraid of the dark. I have a very strong flashlight, and you have the shovel. Let's go slowly. We need to find that oak tree.
The wind is blowing, and the leaves are making a crunch sound under our boots. I am looking for a tree that is much bigger than the others. An oak tree is very tall and has very thick branches.
Stop! Look over there. My flashlight is hitting something huge. That is it. That is the old oak tree. It is beautiful. Now, we need to find the exact spot. The map says 3 steps north from the trunk.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I am standing on a flat piece of ground. But Lily, we have another problem. The ground is very hard because it is winter. It is like stone. My shovel is small. How can we dig a hole?
Don't give up, Max. Try to dig near the big root. Usually, the earth is softer there. Did you hear that? That was the sound of metal hitting metal.
I hit something. My shovel hit a hard box. Give me the flashlight, Lily. I need to see. It is a metal box. It is small and very rusty. It looks like it was under the ground for 100 years.
Lift it up, Max. It is heavy. Let's put it on the grass and open it. The lock is broken, so it is easy to open. Oh my goodness! Max, look!
I don't believe my eyes. There are no gold bars or diamonds, but the box is full of silver coins. They are very old. I see the year 1850 on one coin. There is also a small, old photograph of a family and a gold wedding ring.
This is not just money, Max. This is a time capsule. This is someone's history. These coins are from many years ago. I think a person hid their treasures here during a difficult time.
What do we do now? We found a treasure, but we are not the owners. This is a very interesting moral problem. Do we keep the silver, or do we try to find the family?
We are honest people, Max. We should take this to the local museum. Maybe the historian can find the name of the family from the photograph. This is a gift from the past to the future.
You are right, Lily. The adventure was the best part. Finding the box was exciting, but doing the right thing is better. I feel like a real explorer today.
Me too. My heart is beating very fast. Let's go home, have a hot cup of tea, and look at these coins under a magnifying glass. Tomorrow, we go to the museum. Friends, let's look at the adventure words from our story. Mysterious. Something strange that you do not understand. Antique. Something very old and often valuable. Oak tree. A type of large, strong tree that lives for a long time. Flashlight. A small electric light that you carry in your hand. Shovel. A tool with a long handle used for digging holes. Rusty. When metal becomes orange and rough because of water and age. Coins. Small, flat, round pieces of metal used as money. Treasure. A collection of valuable things like gold, silver, or jewels.
Let's practice. I hope you enjoyed our mystery. It was a very unusual day for us. Friends, I want to hear your thoughts. If you found a mysterious map in an old book, would you follow it? What would you do if you found a box of old silver coins? Would you keep them or give them to a museum? Are you afraid of the woods at night, or do you like a dark adventure? Tell me in the comments. Writing your story in English is a great way to improve. I love reading your ideas. If you liked our mysterious map story, please give this video a like and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to our channel. We want to help you learn English with exciting stories every week. I am going to carry the box carefully now. It is very precious.
And I will lead the way with the flashlight. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you in the next adventure.